How to change theme on GoDaddy website builder. Let's get started. First, head over to the official GoDaddy website and log into your account. Once you are logged in, find the navigation bar and click on the drop-down menu next to your profile name. From there, select My Products. Under the website section, click on your website name. Next, hit the Edit Website button to open the site editor. Now look at the top navigation bar and select the Theme tab. To explore new designs, click Try a New Look. You'll see a variety of themes to choose from. Browse through them and select the one that fits your style. Once you have found the perfect theme, click Select and then hit the Publish button in the navigation bar. That's it, your website is now updated with a fresh new look using GoDaddy's website builder. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.